In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a campaign in Brevo. Whether you've decided a campaign is no longer relevant or simply want to tidy up your dashboard, deleting a campaign in Brevo is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Brevo's official website by typing in brevo.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your login credentials. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can see all the options Brevo offers. Now that you're on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the marketing section. You'll find this option in the main menu. Clicking on marketing will expand a list of features related to your marketing activities. Within this list, you should see an option labeled campaigns. Go ahead and click on campaigns to proceed. Once you're in the campaigns section, you'll see a list of all the campaigns you have created. This is where you can manage and organize your campaigns. To delete a campaign, first, locate the specific campaign you no longer need. You might have multiple campaigns listed, so take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct one. When you've found the campaign you wish to delete, look for the three little dots usually located next to the campaign's name. These dots are the action menu where you can access various options related to the campaign. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with different actions you can take. In this drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Delete. Clicking on Delete is your final step in removing the campaign from your account. However, before you do this, make sure you're certain about deleting the campaign, as this action might be irreversible. Once you're ready, click on Delete. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a campaign in Brevo. This process is quick and ensures that your list of active campaigns remains relevant and up to date. Remember, keeping your dashboard organized can significantly improve your workflow and help you focus on the campaigns that matter most. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to delete a campaign in Brevo. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Have a great day and happy marketing.